Are you struggling with accidentally deleted emails in your Hotmail account? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you how to recover them quickly and easily in just a few minutes. First, head over to the Outlook login page. Remember, Hotmail is now part of Microsoft's Outlook service, so this is where you'll access your account. Click the Sign In button and enter your credentials to log in. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of folders. Click on Folders to expand it, and then select the Deleted Items folder. Think of this as your email's recycle bin. It's where emails go when they're deleted but not permanently removed. Browse through the list to find the email you want to recover. Once you've located it, click on the email to select it. Then, simply look for the Restore option and click it. This will move the email back to its original location, usually your inbox. And just like that, your deleted email is back where it belongs. Here's a quick tip. Emails in the Deleted Items folder aren't kept forever. Depending on your account settings, they may be automatically removed after a certain period. So if you're trying to recover an older email, act quickly to increase your chances of success. By following these simple steps, you can retrieve lost emails in just a few minutes, saving you from unnecessary stress. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials to level up your email skills. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.